Morning everyone, it is October 4th. It is a very special day for an important person in my life. I'm going to bring her some flowers, so let's go surprise her. Good morning, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Thank you, my niecey, my favorite color. Happy birthday, Auntie. Thank you for everything and wishing you the best. Aww, thank you, my girl. Mwah. And my people, and I don't know how me love orange already. This is so beautiful. Great start to my day. Love and appreciate you, my niecey. Thank you. Now I gotta go put these away.
AJ, hit a move. What do you know about these big tracks? AJ's too young for this.
I just leaving Miss Jem party, our 80th birthday party. And I tell you, I had a lot of fun today, you know. And bearing that today was Fimi birthday too. I dance, I name all kind of food. And me tell you, say the people them up at London is very friendly. Me think say me I gonna move from Brampton to London, you know. But anyways, I can't talk no too long because one vehicle is out there waiting for me. And bearing as on me little Dulcinea is very heavy. Anyways, my people, me gone, you hear? All right. No, me can't give you nothing out of this, master. Not a thing no in here to share. No. I will call Dulcinea. You're bright and fierce. I don't Dulcinea. You think say you can't buy this?
No, ma'am.
You think say you can't buy this, boy?
Lady, you can't give us something.
No, sir, me can't give you nothing. Me enough thinking me give you in there tonight. Me know about thing else for you. And first of all, you beg too much. Cause I know everything you see you feel beg. Cause you don't know where in there. All right. Our vehicle there where we are going now. All right. Thank you. All right, everybody. We had a good time. All right.
Oh, you have to put it back.